Boating and swimming, the two go hand in hand. One of the boaters' favorite pastimes, just getting in the water, relaxing, and enjoying a good swim. And today we're going to explore a little bit about that. Welcome back, guys, to this week's episode of Boneheaded Boaters of the Week. Now, there are many ways that boaters can wind up in the water. Some of those ways will be just choosing to jump in, take a nice dip, refresh yourself, relax a little bit. Other times, the decision will be made for you that you're going to go ahead and take a swim. But whichever way it winds up happening, remember, stay calm, relaxed. It's only water. Try and enjoy yourself in the situation you found yourself in. Other times you may get hyped into that swim. You know, you're approaching the dock. Your buddy's behind the helm and he's like, go for it, bro. Jump to the dock. You got it. You got it. Only for Captain to find out you don't quite have the ups he thought you had. Now, the only thing better than getting hyped into a swim is when Cap can hype two of you into a swim. Help him, help him, help him. You got it. Nope, you don't got it. And two are in the drink. Now, of course, boaters like swimming, but swimmers like boats as well. It's not uncommon for people or things to swim from one boat to another, kind of like this situation here where the old nope rope decides to give this crew a visit. Gonna be honest, in this situation, if this happened on my boat, I think there was quite a few people who might have been on my vessel that may have actually jumped in the water the second this thing landed. Now, of course, if you're out enjoying a day of boating and decide you guys are gonna take a swim, you do have a problem you have to solve. And that's going to be finding a way to secure your vessel to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. I mean, if you're all gonna jump in the water, the last thing you want to happen is everybody going for a nice swim, and the next thing you know, your vessel starts drifting away from you. It can lead to some very troublesome problems, but some people find out some very interesting ways to go ahead and solve this. Like this crew here, they decided instead of getting out of the boat, let's just bring the water in, and we'll go ahead and swim here. Now, of course, there is another solution to this problem, and that's going ahead and docking your vessel somewhere secure, somewhere you know it's not going to go anywhere. Another option, of course, is beaching your vessel. Now, this can come with its own set of problems, especially if you're in a coastal area and have to deal with tides. Well, you could find yourself high and dry and stuck for a little while, and if you do, no better way to celebrate that than enjoying a nice beverage. And what better way to do that than in your Drain Plug Mafia tumbler? That's right, today we're going to give away one of our infamous Drain Plug Mafia tumblers. All you have to do to win, hit the like button now, leave a comment below, and we're going to pick our favorite comment and somebody will win a tumbler. No, you can't buy these anywhere. We only give them away on the channel. Now, the Drain Plug Mafia tumbler is dual purpose. It is also drain plug insurance. That's right, it's your last reminder to go ahead and put that drain plug in your vessel, as this is another way you could find yourself out there on the water enjoying a swim, but that's not the way you want to do it. Typically, those drain plug swims are some of the least expected ones and wind up having some drastic consequences. About the only good that can come from the drain plug swim, well, if you've been asking your wife for a new boat and she keeps telling you no, this is one way to get one.
Didn't plan on this.
Now, I gotta admit, if you decide to go this path though, make sure you do it kind of like this crew did. Stay close to the dock, make sure your life jackets are on the ready, and dang sure make sure you get your phone out and record it so you at least got proof for the wife of what really went on. Now, I know many of you are thinking, but BG, I don't have a boat. I enjoy swimming. Well, that's right, swimming's not just for the boaters. Just about anybody can get out there, especially all you need's a vehicle. If you got a vehicle, you can go down to your local watering hole and find your own way in the water. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Boneheaded Boaters of the Week. If you ever see anything crazy happening out on your waterways, be sure to hit us up on Facebook or Instagram and let us know, and you might see your stories over here. Just like Cap Ted95, Chris Arbach, DD Aerial Photo, John Skirp, George H. Reel, P2 Baker, and Taylor Sagi did this week. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.